Okay, gardeners, here we are on part two of Time to Mow. This isn't going to take long, so I am not going to time lapse this. Like, honestly, this yard is so tiny compared to my last one. I was on a half an acre over there, and now I'm on 0.17, and most of it's filled up with flowers. So, here we go. As you can see, I'm totally murdering these poor little defenseless flowers right on the edge of this lawn. I want to get all the grass because of the fact that if you don't get all the grass, it starts growing up in between the flowers and then it becomes a mess. As soon as it seeds out, it ends up, spreading, and it looks awful. So it looks worse than actually trimming these flowers off, which is what I'm doing right now. As you can see right here, this one right here in front of the camera is going to get mulched. Oh, saved. It's saved. It got saved. Well, there was quite a few next to it that did get mulched. But I'll tell you the truth, these flowers just got fertilized today, and they always come back hard after a fertilization. They want to grow, they want to produce, they want to bloom, and they're just beautiful after fertilization. So the fact is that all these flowers are going to look just fine in a few days after they, recover from this bad beating of this lawnmower. Now, I'm keeping it real simple here. A lawn this small, you're not going to be able to do too many tricks, especially with flowers all around the outside of it. I'm just sticking to a basic oval pattern here, just all the way from the outside to the inside. And then I'll cover anything that kind of didn't get. I'm trying to get this nice and short so that when it grows out, hopefully it'll be nice and cool and the weather will change and we won't have to mow it anymore for the winter anyway. So that should about do it for the front yard. Let's go back to the back and we'll see what that looks like. Kind of a bad angle here, but this one wasn't quite as long as the front one. It's got some different grasses in it. Alright, so there we go. You got the backyard done. It looks so pretty. Very nice and short. We don't have as much problems with the flowers in the backyard. And then the pièce de résistance, the front yard. I would almost say it's a little too short, but you know, it's okay. It looks beautiful anyway, and that's the whole point. So yeah, there was a couple flowers over here I mangled, but overall, I think everything's going to recover and look fine. So hey, thanks for watching. Go ahead and reach down and hit that big old thumbs up button and give me a like. Let me know if I did this right or wrong, and let's learn together.